Blizzard warning in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. What? Blizzard conditions. Additional snow accumulations between 2 and 5 inches for a storm total of 12 to 15 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Northern St. Lawrence County. When? Until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Visibilities will consistently be below 1/4 mile due to falling and blowing snow. Whiteout conditions are occurring and are making travel treacherous and potentially life-threatening. Areas of blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds can bring down tree branches, causing some isolated power outages. Additional details: it is easy to become disoriented in these conditions. Even a short walk could be deadly. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. For the latest on road conditions in Vermont, visit https:newengland511.org, and for New York, visit https:511ny.org. This is a winter storm warning for the following areas in New York: northern Franklin, southeastern St. Lawrence, southern Franklin, and southwestern St. Lawrence. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Monday. What? Heavy snow and mixed precipitation expected. Total snow and sleet accumulation.
Blizzard warning. I was not expecting that one. Wow.